Hello and welcome. You are watching Daily Easy English. In this lesson, you will hear slow and easy English. This lesson is made for beginners. Relax and listen carefully. Let's start. Today, I want to talk about having breakfast. Breakfast is the first meal of the day. It is very important. In the morning, I feel hungry. My body needs food. I go to the kitchen slowly. The kitchen is quiet and clean. I prepare my breakfast. I like simple food in the morning. First, I make a cup of tea. The tea is warm. It smells good. Sometimes I make coffee. The coffee helps me wake up. I take some bread. I put the bread on a plate. I also eat eggs. The eggs are easy to make. They are healthy. I sit at the table. I eat my breakfast slowly. I do not hurry. I enjoy my food. I feel calm and comfortable. While I eat, I think about my day. I plan my work. I plan my time. Sometimes I listen to soft music. The music is quiet. It makes me feel good. I drink my tea slowly. The cup is warm in my hands. After breakfast, I feel full. I feel ready for the day. I clean the table. I wash the dishes. Now, the kitchen is clean again. Having breakfast gives me energy. It helps me start the day well. This is how I have breakfast every morning. It is simple. It is calm. It is a good start to the day. Now, let's repeat some easy sentences. Please listen carefully. I have breakfast in the morning. I have breakfast in the morning. I drink tea. I drink tea. I eat simple food. I eat simple food. Breakfast gives me energy. Breakfast gives me energy. Very good. Keep practicing. Thank you for listening. This is Daily Easy English. If you like this lesson, please subscribe. See you in the next lesson.